this fascinating and interesting world of geometric patterns, particularly in transformation. In this journey, we will explore the essence of transformation, its function, and the different types of transformation. Most of the proofs in geometry are based on the transformations of the objects. In the 19th century, Felix Klein is the one who proposed a new perspective on geometry known as transformational geometry. First and foremost, let us define what is transformation. A transformation changes one geometric shape into another. After transforming a geometric shape, the result called its image. For example, function of x to y. The pre-image x becomes the image y after the transformation. This transformation can any or the combination of the operations like translation, rotation, reflection, and their relations. Transformation in math can describe two-dimensional figures move around the coordinated plane.
Okay, so now let's move on to the rules of transformation. Okay, so let's start with the two ways of presenting transformation. The first one is algebraically and the second one is graphically. So I will explain those two. The first one, algebraically, it is a mixture of numbers and letters. For example, 3x plus 5. So that is algebraically. And the second one, graphically, it is about explaining in a very clear and understandable way, and it may use charts and graphs. Transformation are commonly found in algebraic function. It helps us visualize and learn the equations in algebra. We can also use the formula of transformation on graphical function to obtain the graph just by transforming the basic functions. And last but not the least, always remember that the transformation in math never changes its angles.
Rotation is turning a shape around a central point. It rotates by an angle like 45 or 90 degrees in either direction. Shape overlaps with original position. Shapes can show symmetry and repeat their pattern in certain angles. That's rotation, turning shapes, angle, and symmetry in a flash. Flip a shape to create a mirror image preserving size and shape. Reflections are used in nature, geometric construction, tessellation, and optical reflections. Symmetry in nature and design creates balance and harmony seen in things like flower patterns and architectural design. Geometric construction divides angle or segments into equal parts for precise design. Tessellation involves repeating shapes and fit together perfectly to cover a plane without gaps. Optical reflections use mirrors to create symmetrical image and visual effects.
Translation is a geometric shape from one position to another without altering its size, shape, or orientation. The shape such as angles and side lengths remain unchanged after translation. The movement is defined by specifying the direction and distance of the shape. First, let's explore the translation. When we translate a shape, every point of the shape moves the same distance in a specified direction. For instance, if we slide the triangle to the right or left, it retains its dimensions and angles, simply changing its location on the coordinate plane. Next is dilation. Dilation is expanding or contracting an object while preserving its shape and orientation. That is also known as resizing. When we dilate a shape, its proportion remains the same but its size changes. For example, we have a triangle and apply a dilation factor greater than 1. The triangle will grow larger while maintaining its angles and relative side lengths.
So hello everyone, my name is Premos D. Gallardo. In summary in this lesson so that we can understand and familiarize more our topic, transformation means to change. And the geometric transformation means to make some changes in any given geometric shapes. And there are 4 common types of transformation. And the difference in these 4 types of transformation is that first, the translation. Note guys, this is the difference of these 4 types of transformation. The first is translation. Translation is when we move the image without changing anything in it. The shape, the size, and orientation remain the same. Note guys, translation is that the image without changing anything. The second is the rotation. Rotation is when we rotate the image by a certain degree.